200 million naira home located here in Orchard. Well secured environments, call to access estate. We have units of 12 housing units here, semi-detached home. You clearly see that the car park space can take up to 2 cars. You've got this car cover for each unit, has a greenery, it comes with a communal pool, and this property is sitting on 2 floors. All right, so let's take a quick tour and see what we have inside. But if you're new to my channel, you want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and most importantly, let me know what you think of this amazing home. Welcome home. So this is the ambience of the estate. So it has been raining all through this week in Lagos. It rained heavily this morning, and you can see what the estate looks like. Okay, so this is what we are touring. We have 12 units of this semi-detached home just right here, but we are taking a look at the number 7. We have some units here that are currently sold out. This is priced at 200 million naira. So if you're currently in the market looking at 200 million, in fact, it's 200 million net, like it's not negotiable. They have put it initially at 220 asking, but I spoke to the developer before I started this video, and he's saying 200 million naira net, and I don't want to go back and forth. So I'm just giving you the net price. So you see that the driveway is spacious. Two cars can conveniently drive through the driveway. So this is the units that we are looking at. The car park space can take 2 cars. It has a BQ at the back. So let me quickly show you that. So let me show you the BQ. Just here. Then we can now go inside. Oh, the BQ is locked. But it has a BQ just right here. So let's go inside without wasting much of your time. Okay, so let's go inside. You have this flower that welcomes you here. Got your door. And it has a biometrics right here. It's got biometrics. So when you come in, on the ground floor, we have the primary living area. And I love that it has this glass window enabling natural light and ventilation. So this is your space right here. Your TV console is there. Okay, so this is it from this angle. This is your powder room. You've got your powder room just right here. So going further in the tour, we have your kitchen here. So this is your kitchen. You've got your island in the middle. You have your microwave, your oven, your 5-burner cooker, your heat extractor. You have a space for your washing machine. This door leads you to the backyard. And that space there is for your double size refrigerator. Okay, so this is what the kitchen looks like. Another view of the home from here. Alright, let's go upstairs. So when you get to the first floor, you have this space here that you can set up your family lounge, the secondary living area. We've got 3 rooms on this ground floor. We've got 3 rooms here. So we'll look at it before we go over to the last floor. So this is what we have here in one of the rooms. Your wardrobe is here. And by my right, you have your ensuite bathroom. Okay. Just beside this, you also have one other room here. That's your wardrobe. Have your bathroom here. Okay. So there's one room across these rooms, and it has a private balcony. Okay, so this is it. You have your closet this way. You have your bathroom here, and that's your walk-in shower. So it has a balcony. So with this, you can see your neighborhood. All right, let's go to the last floor. Okay, coming to the last floor, you have just one room here. Remember, it's a 4-bedroom. So this is obviously the master's bed. The closet is right this way. Flows all the way down. And here is where you have your bathroom. Okay. That's your shower. It doesn't have a bathtub. And this is its balcony. Alright, so this is what we have here. Let me know what you think of this project. So this is what we have here. Let me know what you think of this project. Every detail of this property will be in the description alongside my phone number. If you would like to inspect this and make it your home in 2026, give me a call and let's get you home. Thank you. Bye.